Hi guys, let's make some moringa juice, shall we? So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're absolutely welcome. Please join the family, click that subscribe button, okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you already. So today in this video, we're going to be making DIY moringa juice, and this is what it looks like. So first thing first, make sure you wash your moringa leaf properly. Wash it 2 times, like wash it like 2 times so that you remove all the dirt and all that. Then I use this blender to just roughly blend it, and this is how it looks. It has this slimy texture and it is a great tangling ingredient. So I sieved it using this my favorite stocking right now. You guys have seen this stocking a lot of times. Okay, so I sieved it with this stocking. So this is what the shaft looks like. I don't know what I can use this to do. If you have any idea, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I transferred my my moringa water into the spray bottle because it was time to apply it to my hair. So guys, this is my hair. I don't know what is wrong with me these days. My hair has been looking so funny, and it's because I don't really have time for it of lately. So I just sectioned my hair into 6 parts. If your hair is not as much as my hair, you can always do 4 parts, but I have a fuller hair, so I sectioned it to 6 parts, and I finger detangle first because my hair had a lot of knots and tangles, so I didn't want breakage and all of that. So I used my fingers to detangle well before I now started using the moringa juice. So what are the benefits you derive from using moringa on your hair? Moringa contains vitamin A and B, and those things helps to promote hair growth. Moringa also contains iron, and iron will help prevent hair loss. The zinc in moringa promotes the healthy follicles, and then moringa has essential amino acid, and then those amino acid helps to nourish each of your hair strands. So moringa has like a lot of benefits, and it can be applied to both the scalp and also to the strands of your hair because it fights against itchy scalp, dandruff. If your hair is lacking moisture, you can also use this because it's a great detangling ingredient, like I said earlier. So guys, what I did basically is just apply it to the roots of my hair, to the strands of my hair, to my scalp, give my scalp a very good massage, then I twist it and kept it in a bantu knot, and I did that for all the rest of my hair. So that's basically it. But don't forget to always detangle your hair before you apply this treatment because you want to make sure that your hair is in good and perfect condition. You don't want breakage. So if your hair is as dry as mine, make sure you finger detangle before you apply this treatment. So that's it basically. Let me know if you will try this out, and let me know any other thing you guys want me to show on my channel, and I'll be at your service, right? So guys, that's it basically. Just enjoy the rest of the clip and have an amazing weekend ahead. Bye guys, I love you.